Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking the right SSD for your system. 2. 5-inch SATA for older laptops, or M. 2 NVMe for modern boards because speed and slot type matter. Once chosen, back up current drives to avoid data loss and gather tools, screwdriver, SATA cable, power connector, anti-static strap. Open the case or laptop carefully and locate the target slot. Make sure power is off and unplugged. Then mount the drive or insert the M2 module, securing it with the screw so the hardware step is complete and stable. Once the SSD is physically installed, power on and enter BIOS to enable OSI or NVMe mode and set the SSD as first boot device. This avoids driver conflicts. Next, boot an installer or cloning tool. If cloning, copy system image sector align to 1 MB for best performance. If installing fresh, create a GPT partition table for UEFI. Install OS or restore image, then install chipset and storage drivers. Make sure trim support is enabled and that partitions are correctly sized before moving to final steps. To finish, update the SSD firmware using the manufacturer tool. This fixes bugs and improves stability. Once in the OS, verify trim is active and turn off scheduled defragmentation to prevent unnecessary writes. Run a health check and a brief benchmark to confirm expected speeds, then reinstall case panels and restore backups. If something goes wrong, like the drive not appearing, receipt connectors, swap cables or slots, confirm BIOS detection and OSI/UEFI mode and update BIOS. These steps usually resolve common detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.